Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to be making a blueberry bourbon smash. We are going to start with a fourth of a cup of blueberries. We are going to literally macerate them. That's a word.
Is it?
It is.
Did you look it up ahead of time?
I did.
Oh. We're going to discombobulate those blueberries.
See, now you're just getting weird. Like, everyone knows that word now. Nobody cares about discombobulating anymore. Just saying. All right, then we are going to go in with half an ounce of simple syrup, 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then lastly, 2 ounces of our favorite brand of bourbon. And then we are going to add ice to our shaker tin. We're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. Actually, I'm going to take We are also going to add ice to our rocks glass. I sneeze. I can feel it. And then we are going to double strain. Now, you don't have to double strain on this one because it's going over ice. There's a lot of pulp coming from those macerated blueberries. So, I'm going to go ahead and double strain. It's an accurate statement. To make it go a little faster, like I said, you can forego the mesh strainer, or I just use a spoon to try to get some of the pulp out of the way to let the rest of the liquid flow through. You can see there's a lot of pulp in there.
Always blueberries.
I know, they're messy little buggers.
They are. You ever stepped on a blueberry and tried to clean it up?
Ew, no. Why are you stepping on blueberries?
I have children.
So do I, and I have yet to step on a blueberry. Or I just look for them. I don't know.
For the kids or the blueberries?
Ain't nobody looking for them kids. All right, I'm just going to add a few more ice cubes here. Nobody saw that?
Counter cubes.
Don't talk about the counter cubes. Okay. All right, for our garnish, I have a blueberry skewer. Just set that guy on the back there. And I have the saddest little mint sprig known to mankind.
I guess you're very delicately tapping.
I am, because look at him. He's just sad. He's wilty. These cubes are in my way. There we go. Oh, look at how pretty. All right, there we have our blueberry bourbon smash. Of course, I'm going to taste. I'm going to let you know what my rating is. So 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and probably move on. 5, I could drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. We shall see what this one is. I don't smell a whole lot of blueberry. Obviously, I get a lot of the mint smell, but I do smell the bourbon. Maybe we take out the skewer. Oh, that's nice. Very refreshing. So I don't taste a ton of the blueberry. I get the lemon, I get the bourbon. The bourbon's definitely kind of more at the forefront. It's not bitey in any way. Granted, that's also going to depend on the kind of bourbon that you're using. Mine's a very, very smooth bourbon. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed that I'm not getting more of the blueberry flavor. Just a really small hint. It's like it's barely there. Okay. So it's a super drinkable cocktail. I honestly could drink it all night, but because it's supposed to be blueberry, I'm a big stickler on if you're going to call something something, it should taste like something. So for me, because there is no blueberry flavor, I'm going to go probably with a 1.5. I'm going to go 2 out of 5, just because the blueberry is just non existent. You got the color, you really didn't get the flavor. So either we could increase the amount of blueberries that we're muddling, or even go with like a blueberry syrup to get that true blueberry flavor that we're looking for. So those are some options. Otherwise, don't forget, ingredients are listed down below. That way you can make this cocktail at home. Like I said, if you want to tweak it, feel free. It's very easy to do. Just add a couple more blueberries or just get a blueberry syrup. And if you like the content, the videos, and my gorgeous face, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.